So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished changing a cartridge here in the, this is like a guest suite. So I got a bedroom and an attached bathroom. And it is shared with the rest of the home. There's a laundry room separating it, but kind of like a little private suite up front of the home. Anyway, so here's the existing that was in there. So Price Pfister is the manufacturer, and this is the old cartridge. So you've got some corrosion going on down here at the bottom, and you know, once that gets into on the inside here, you know, things just kind of break down. You got some scale as well. The brass valve that's in the wall has some hard scale buildup. You see these little specks sitting around here. You've got the duplicate on the inside of the valve, but they have hardened into the brass. You know, the only way to get those out is some kind of scraping or grinding or tool, but you don't really want to tool this brass too much on the inside, because if you scuff it, then of course these gaskets don't seal. So I don't know exactly what was going on here, but you can see all the debris that's sitting in there. All those little beads, that's calcium, and so it's broken off and gotten in there and causes problems. So the only thing you do is, you know, condition the water or soften the water, you know, potassium or sodium or a salt-free softener system, and that helps protect the plumbing. It helps protect the water heater. It helps protect all of your faucets. But anyway, so that guy came out. The rust color here, I'm not real sure what's happening there. Something's going on, and I haven't seen that before, but that discoloration typically is from iron pipe, and you've got copper in the home. So I don't know how debris has to get in there somehow, and then as it begins to break down, it causes the discoloration. So you do have a little bit of iron pipe at the street from the meter up into the lawn, and maybe something chunked off of there. But so anyways, that's back in. We haven't tested it yet. We wanted to turn this back on, turn the water back onto the home first, and then check for leaking down here. So no dripping, no leaking, no spraying, which means that's good. So now we'll go ahead and we can get that trim plate, get that back on, get the handle on, and test it out and make sure we've got good flow, hot and cold. Outside of that, this installation is done.